A very warm welcome to all of you once again to Indian Restro. In today's episode, we have brought a completely new, delicious and modern recipe, air fry kulcha. Traditionally, kulcha is either deep fried in oil or ghee or cooked in a tandoor. But today, we will show you how to prepare this popular dish using very little oil with the air fry method. As a result, the dish will be lighter and will also have a unique taste. To make today's air fry kulcha, we will need refined flour, maida, egg white, paneer, black cumin seeds, oregano, baking soda, caster sugar, chili flakes, baking powder, cheese, butter, boiled chicken, plain yogurt and a little salt. With these ingredients, we will prepare today's special air fry kulcha. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. First, take a large bowl and add the flour. Then, add half of the yogurt to it. After that, add 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt and mix everything well. Then, add the remaining yogurt along with a little white oil and some water and knead it gradually into a soft dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for some time so that it sets properly. Now, it's time to prepare the filling. Take boiled chicken paste in one bowl and paneer in the other bowl. Add a little cheese to both bowls. Then, add chili flakes, black cumin seeds and a little salt to both mixtures. Mix everything well so that all the ingredients combine into a flavorful filling. Next, make small balls from the prepared dough.
Now put the filling inside the maida balls.
Using a rolling pin, roll each ball into a round shape. Prepare 2 such rolled flatbreads. Apply a little water on top and sprinkle black cumin seeds. You can also add a little poppy seeds to enhance both the taste and appearance of the kulcha. Then, place these rolled kulchas into the air fryer and lightly cook them. Once they are nicely cooked, take them out and brush butter on top. Then, cut each kulcha into halves and further into 4 pieces. Your delicious and healthy air fry kulcha is now ready to serve. Friends, in today's world, the importance of healthy food has increased significantly. In the past, kulcha and similar breads were usually fried in oil or ghee, which made them very tasty but often heavy for the body. That's why modern cooking now focuses on methods that reduce oil usage while maintaining taste and nutrition. This change is also visible in Bengali food culture, especially in cities like Kolkata. Earlier, fried foods were more popular, but now people are much more health conscious. As a result, air frying and low-oil cooking methods are becoming increasingly popular. These techniques help preserve taste while making food healthier. Air fry kulcha is a perfect example of this modern approach. It retains the traditional taste of kulcha while using new technology to make it with less oil. This makes the dish light, tasty and healthy. In Kolkata's modern fusion food culture, such innovative and health-conscious recipes are gaining popularity day by day. In conclusion, when traditional cooking is combined with modern health awareness, food becomes more enjoyable and beneficial. Air fry kulcha is a wonderful example of that idea. So friends, we end today's recipe here.
Indian Restro
will return in the next episode with another new and exciting dish. Until then, stay well, stay safe and enjoy your food.